I got 4 Kinder Surprises today. I got it at the Tu País, my country deli and grocery. I know Kinder eggs are banned in USA, but I got the Kinder Surprise though. I just got it at the deli. It was nice. I knew White Plains sells Kinder eggs, but only Latino delis only, not the USA like Walmart, Target, Stop and Shop, Kroger, Macy's, not the department stores, just the name of the grocery stores, Macy's. I think it's only in Utah and North Carolina, except Delaware, because Delaware is the mayor's owner. Only Hardee's and Waffle House. And Publix, they don't sell Publix at all. Only the UK sells, United Kingdom sells at Smith's Toys Superstores, I guess, or Tisco's in the UK, or maybe I'm thinking another place, it's the UK, I forgot. Maybe Kroger, no, not Kroger. I think Macy's, no, not the grocery store, the department store. What I'm thinking. I think Tisco's and Smith's Toys Superstores. I think they have one in Canada. Those Kinder Surprises. I don't know if it bans Canada. This is the history of the Kinder Surprise. Well, I'm in USA, so I don't want to. If you don't know that place, if you live in USA or New York areas like Westchester, Putnam, Rochester, but I'm thinking another place, Putnam, Dutchesses, Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, Staten Island, Bronx, or any other locations if you have Latino groceries in your area. They only have one in El Mercado and I think the church store, like the discount, I guess. They sell birthdays, piñatas, and church store, like the statues, like the Ave Maria, like one right there. Sorry, we cannot see it because the TV is on. Alright, let's start unboxing those Kinder eggs. I'll get it on my backpack. Have a sip, sorry, I cannot see the logo because I don't want to get trademarked. We're only gonna get Elinor for today and Yakety. He will be inside of my backpack. But this time we're gonna have no talk. Only one surprise egg, we're gonna have talk, and the 3 of them will have no talk. With music only. Okay. Alright, let's get Yakety. It's in my backpack. We just had an ice cream truck in the park today, and it was rare. It stopped at the controller park. Good Harbor in my location. Maybe in the future, Mr. Softy will stop here. And Yakety will love Mr. Softy. Only Valhalla stops here because of the Mayor Tom Roach's owner his business jobs. When we go to Boston, we're gonna go to Jimmy John's in Norwalk. But this time is to go because we're gonna go to a hotel in August 17th to Monday. Monday's our last day. Maybe we're gonna go some churches and some subway trains. Excuse me. Alright, Yakety, are you excited? Yeah. Can't wait to go to Boston. Yep, you can see the O'Reilly views like the Duck Tour, New England Aquarium, Quincy Market. I don't know if it's, I don't have much money. And the Old Norse Church, so we can listen to Bell. The Old Norse Church is Episcopal, but I'm not Episcopal, I'm Catholic though. Maybe we can listen for the bell. I don't know if it doesn't have a clock tower. Alright, let's unbox this egg. Okay. Let's start with the first one. Alright. Let me move these so I don't get copyright. Alright, let's start with this one. I forgot a plate, but I'll get it later. It's a little melted. Oh, look. A toy car. It looks like Mater, but that's not Mater though. They should add favorite characters on Surprise X, like Disney Cars, Toy Story. There's gonna be Toy Story 5 in 2026. Here's the flyer. I think it looks like a monster truck. It's like a transformer. I don't know if it's not. Oh, that's just the advertisement. Alright, here's the stickers. Oh, Jesus Christ, I lost it. Alright. I want to build by myself instead of time lapse. Let's see right there. Alright, let's skip the stickers. Put it right here next to Midland Radio. Let me turn it on. Just in case. But I'm not going to play it because I'm going to get copyrighted. Here it is. Here's a truck. Vroom, vroom. Alright, now we're going to skip talking. So, just music. I need this chocolate right here.